Kyoko, 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 Ky. Kyoko, 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 yeah. Hey you guys, so, tell me what you guys think of that little opening thing. I did that for fun. So today I'm going to So my uncle sent some stuff from Japan. You know, just to kind of, just some kind of good stuff. Tea-chews, really like tea-chews. I think they're cheese. They taste like cheese. They taste cheesy. Sent me some cute socks. He also sent my brother some ties and things. Little Hello Pandas and stuff. These fish thingies, I don't really like them, but Trey does, so yeah. This pen. This pen actually came from more of a Japanese festival that I went to. It didn't come from my uncle, but I thought it would be cool to kind of show you. So it has like all this, I don't know, can you see those Japanese things? Okay. Then it shows you like how to use it and stuff, and my mom's going to use it for her Sailor Moon cosplay, so. And then Japanese newspaper. There's China, there's some China in there, like really cool Japanese China and stuff. So I kind of just, I was like, here. And I kind of just read it, and those are just kind of my babies. But yeah, so also, next month I will be doing I went to California for about a month this past summer, and I went to like Japantown and stuff, so kind of next month is going to be kind of my California trip, because I did go to Japantown and I went to the Japanese gardens in California, and that will just be kind of next month's thing. And then